Hey, what's up everybody? Now hopefully everybody's having a great time. It's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG, and well, if you're new to my channel guys, I would really appreciate if you give a like on this video and smash up the like button and also ring that bell notification guys. Alright, so without any further ado guys, today I bring back another tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna show you full step by step, okay, and I'm gonna walk you through how to create, okay, how to install MyBB in your hosting. Okay, I'm using ionos.com. Okay, this is a hosting, and I have tried WordPress, but it works great for a few weeks and then it sucks. Okay, I've been getting some issues like registration fail, Google reCAPTCHA, etc. Okay, but so as you can see right now, okay, so if you scroll completely down, you should be able to see App Center. Okay, here you'll find a wide range of application. Okay, so if you would like to select the app, okay, and I do not recommend to install MyBB on this Ionos, okay, setup auto installation files, because it will eventually fail. All right, so I'm gonna show you another method, okay, another best method how you can easily install it. Okay, and here you should be able to find all the CMS. Okay, so as you can see, WordPress is the favorite. We have Joomla, we have PrestaShop, Moodle, Drupal, and etc. Okay, so if you go to all application, you should be able to find PHPBB, MyBB, etc. Okay, so we're gonna need a FileZilla. So make sure that you go to Google and you're gonna download the FileZilla client. All right, so you're gonna click on this download FileZilla client. Okay, I already have it installed. As you can see, it's here. All right, so the next step is to go to MyBB. Okay, just Google MyBB and you should be able to see mybb.com. It's a free and open source forum software. Okay, alright guys, so I tried my best to make WordPress looks like a real forum, but you know what, all those plugins and in WordPress, it sucks to make WordPress feels like a real forum. Okay, we can't do it. All right, so the real reason is to download this one or PHPBB, but PHPBB is an old forum software. Okay, so I believe this one is much better. All right, so you're gonna press on download now. Okay, and this is the latest MyBB version 1.8.24. so you're gonna click this and it should be able to download. Okay, it's only over 2 MB file size, and here we don't need the documentation, so I want you to click delete on that, and okay, just delete the documentation. All right, and here as well, and you should be able to see the upload, and we don't need that upload folder, so I want you to double click that upload, and right now you want to press Ctrl+A, as this will select all. Okay, this will select all of it. All right, like this. Okay, and the next step, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your FileZilla. You're gonna open that FileZilla up guys, and I have already set up my as you can see, my host, and if you haven't set up it yet, so you may go to your hosting and you should be able to see the server access, and if you click on manage, and you should be able to see your server and the username and the password for your SFTP. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I'm gonna click connect. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna SFTP quickly connecting, and right now I don't have anything here, so I'm gonna have to create a directory and enter it. So okay, I'm gonna name this directory as htdocs, and I'm gonna make this I'm gonna have to save the permission as you can see file permission, and I'm gonna write it as 755. Okay, as this will give the owner permission, the read and write permission, and public permissions as well. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this up. Okay, it's a htdocs, and I'm gonna select all of these files, and I'm just gonna drag and drop it. Okay, once drag and drop, do not close WordPress, do not close WinRAR, guys, because if you close it, it will cancel. Okay, all you gotta do is to minimize it, and as you can see here, it's gonna upload. As you can see, guys, all files are currently being uploaded. Okay, all you gotta do is to wait. Okay, give it a few minutes, as this might take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed. Okay, depending on your internet connection. And we have a bunch of files. Okay, over 700 files, and if it's skip, guys, all you gotta do is to right click here and click on process all, or process and queue them. Okay, and if it asks you, if it prompts you to overwrite, just click overwrite and hit OK. It will upload automatically. Okay, all right, people, so as you can see, it kind of it's nearly done. Okay, only one file left, and boom. Okay, all transferred has been successfully. Okay, and head back. Oh yeah, before we do that, and here's the file which I was talking about. Here's over 154 MyBB premium responsive themes. Okay, leaked free. All right, and it's 100% compatible with MyBB 1.8. Okay, that etc. any version. All right, and here's a password for extraction. Okay, all right, so you're gonna do that later. So this is my domain. So we're gonna write /install /index.php, and when we copy this and when we go back here, we paste and go, we should be able to get the MyBB installation wizard. Okay, the welcome page, and here you're gonna uncheck this and you're gonna hit next, and here you're gonna read or not. Okay, just hit next, and here, just as you can see, it supported the database extension MySQL improved. So just hit next once again, and just leave the database engine to MySQL improved. And here, as you can see, the database server host name. So here you'll have to go back here and you'll have to create a database. All right, so you're gonna create a brand new database, and this one is using MySQL 5.7. so you're gonna switch. Okay, just leave it to MySQL improved. All right, here you're gonna give a name. So I'm gonna stick with MyBB or forum. Okay, this is gonna be database. Nope, MyBB is good. Nah, forum is good. Okay, and here all you have is to create a password. Okay, all right, so after you have set your password, all you have is to hit saved. Okay, just hit saved, and your newly database should now be created, guys. Okay, and you should be brought to this information where you should be able to see this bunch information here. DBS whatsoever, description, and this is a host name, so you're gonna copy the host name. Okay, so this is a database host name, database server host name. Okay, you're gonna paste this here, and this is a database username, so I'm gonna enter the username here, and the database name is, wait, what the hell, database name is this one. Yeah, okay, and you're gonna paste that password, okay, the password that you have just created earlier. All right, and all you add is paste a password in here, and for the table prefix, just leave them by default and just hit next. The next step, which is the table creation, and everything is done here. Okay, creating table, everything done, and I'm gonna click next to populate. Okay, to table population, and I'm gonna hit next once again, and this is gonna go to theme insertion. I'm gonna hit next, and this is gonna tell me what's the forum name. So just in case that, okay, so just make it, it's up to you. Okay, and here you're gonna create an administrator account, guys. So I'm gonna stick with my username, which is YASHViR GAMiNG, and I'm gonna enter password and retype the password and the email address. All right, so I have entered my username, my password, and now for the email address, I'm gonna write wait, not the contact us. Oops, nope. I'm gonna have to put a valid email address. Okay, so in case I get locked, okay, I will be able to reset the password. When you're ready, just hit next, and I'm gonna hit save this. As you can see, guys, importing everything, finishing setup. Okay, and all right, oops. Okay, and I'm gonna hit login. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently in the MyBB admin CP, again, the admin panel. All right, and from here I can import any themes, templates, plugins, install them. All right, guys, peace. It's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG, and I'm signing out. Peace.